We do this shit, fuck all of the hate. If you can't appreciate the nature of the shit, I can explain that why I hate you. All this time I'm trying to explain straight in your face, but you can't ever hear me. I'm coming through, you can't feel me. This shit'd be like a slap in the face from daddy or mommy. This shit is crazy, son. I'm coming through out the fucking pyramids like a mummy, trying to tell you y'all straight acting dummy. And God we trust, but you're blind, homie. This shit is kinda crazy. Home is where my heart is at. I'm like Gandhi, world citizen. Do this shit for my people, gotta represent, cause I'm an immigrant. I get retarded, we spark shit in the dark. We don't give a fuck about the cop shit, middle finger up. We straight rip shit up. Got the Cassidy get retarded beat, man, that's what's up. That shit make me wanna go retarded and commit some lyrical crime shit, cause you know that shit pays. And we do this shit all day and all night. New Jersey, you know we don't play some, we just love to fight. Knuckle up, better get the
Just give me 12 minutes and 12 immigrants. I got fucking 12 beats and 12 sentiments. I'm going to the church, nigga. Every day is fucking Christmas. And where the fuck? Like, I got fucking people hitting me up on Facebook. Where the fuck is New Year's Eve? I'm fucked up. I don't care, man.
Let me hop back, right on the track like an artifact is back. Matter of fact, I'ma spit the realest facts. Fuck the gorillas. I act like I'm ready to go bananas up in this fucking spot. Yeah, Joe got the camera, got it on lock, looking at the view. I do this shit how you do, shooting at the fucking whole crowd. We don't give a fuck, we get real loud, and then we take our own fucking route. Fuck follow, man. Any man, this shit be straight hollow, so I straight hollering at any chick that I see on any fucking streets in Jersey City. Yeah, we do this shit cause we straight greedy. We trying to feed ourselves. Motherfuckers committee don't give a fuck about the health of the little kids. Education.
Why the fuck you think I've been up for 24 hours? I got fucking niggas high off gunpowder. Click clack at your motherfucking face. Don't fuck with my race. I don't care. I'm not even fucking black. I'm disrespecting my own race.
Yo, my man is straight wildin' while we freestyling. This shit be kinda crazy.
Boy had his shirt off. Boy had his shirt off.
No homo, pause.
No homo.
Pause. I'm feeling
no homo.